We are proud to present you with the third generation collection of Makita belts, pouches and holders. Created with a modern design, all products can be joined together with other elements providing 2-in-1, 3-in-1 or even all-in-one systems. This makes the Makita range the perfect choice for storing and carrying tools. The strap belt system with quick release buckles at the ends can be easily detached from the tool bags and worn on the waist as a light duty tool belt. Fits all tool pouches and holders as well as tool organisers. The heavy load support system provides additional support for super heavyweight tool belt and set by distributing weight between waist and shoulders. Comfortable to wear and reducing stress through the working day thanks to extra thick 20mm cushioning. The anti-slip solution minimises or even avoids workplace slips and falls and accidents. The high quality polypropylene tape has a rubber surface which helps to keep the tools in place and provide additional protection to help prolong the life of your products. The 3-layer technology is a unique 3-layer combination of polyester and foams that provides extra cushioning. Designed to be tough and waterproof, these amazingly light polypropylene panels are made up of 3 composite layers joined securely in a desirable configuration. The durable rivets gives truly unbreakable strength. Strong one-piece self-punching rivets with washers used in all high-stress areas. Washers for greater strength in strategical places are used on one or both sides, up and down. The belt loop holder is a heavy-duty combination of steel D-ring with strong polyester tape to hang anything with a carabiner. It keeps the item secure, allowing your pockets to be free for other accessories. Belt loop holder solidly slides onto the belt and stays there. You can use as many loops as needed. Handy to hook on small accessories, knives and keys. So we're now going to look at the belts in more detail, starting with just the entry level genuine leather belt, which is more for trousers and jeans. It's just a nice leather belt available in brown and black, has a nice clasp on the front and it has a discreet Makita logo on the front as well. We then move on to the ultimate leather belt, which if you look here, it's got a double buckle system for extra strength, riveted for reinforcement as well. It's 50mm thick and it also comes supplied with carabiner hooks. We then have the quick release belt buckle system. It has got hardened plastic for the belt buckle, so impact resistant, and is fully adjustable with Velcro around the waist, so you can set it to whichever size you want. Hook your tool belt system onto that, and that also comes with a carabiner hook too. We then move on to the ultimate padded belt. So this has 20mm thick foam around the whole belt itself to make it more comfortable. It does have some 3D material here as well, so what that does, it lets the air circulate through the material rather than it crushing down on itself. Again, comes with some large carabiner hooks and hooks to connect to your support brace system. Has the double buckle system and is 50mm thick genuine leather as well. Lastly, in the belt section, we then have the quick release belt and shoulder strap. So this belt itself integrates with 40 of the other products that we're going to be showing you from the new range of belts and pouches. So it can be used as a belt, which is fully adjustable from the side and has a high impact plastic buckle. But then also, if you don't want to use it as a belt system, lots of our new belts and pouches have hooking places to put the belt on and use as a shoulder strap. So for instance, this bag here we has the belt system connected. So with the high impact clasps, you can unconnect them, turn it into a belt buckle or clip it straight back on to your bag as a shoulder strap. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the pouches themselves. Now what you see in front of me is a selection of the pouches that we are going to have available. All of these pouches will fit on the belt strap system. They all have new anti-slip technology on the front edges or any friction points where you're going to have tools sitting in the bag, and that will stop the tool as much as it can from slipping out of the material itself. They are all now made of 3 layers of construction, so they have an outer layer, a stiffer inner layer, and then a softer outer layer again. And what that does is, well, it keeps the 3D shape of the bags so they won't crush down and be unable to get the products out of the bags. They're all made of real leather. They've got durable rivets on them, elastic loops, and stainless steel where needed. So for the tape holder there, that's all stainless steel construction. For the belt holders and for the hammer holders, they're all stainless steel construction as well. So first up, we're going to look at the 3-way hammer and tool holder. So this pouch here, what you can see is it can go screwdrivers into the front, or Stanley knives or bigger tools than that, elasticated at the front as well to get your bits in. You can then put the hammer in the front with the hammer holder there, which is stainless steel. But not only can this go onto the belts that we showed you earlier, but it can also just slot into your pocket. And if you undo that screw lightly at the front, it then allows it to spin freely, so that if you have got it on your belt system or in your pocket and you're moving up and down, that will move with you and keep your tools up vertically, so it should stop them falling out of the pouch. We then have next the drill holster, which is universal, left and right. So left and right handed, it has the poppers on the front to hold it in securely with a leather strap. You've got some elasticated area at the top as well, so that you can put some drill bits in there if you want to keep any stored for your drill drivers or combi drivers. There's also some slots down the side out of real leather, which are there to place in screwdrivers and any other accessories that you can take on site with you on that pouch. We then move on to the universal pouch and drill driver holder, left and right. So this will hold your drill and driver at the front in the left and right position. Anti-slip around the top as well. Fastening clip on the top made of leather to hold your drill into the left or right motion. Leather pouches at the front for screwdrivers, Stanley knives, any other accessories you want in there. At the back then you then have an open pouch as well, which will allow you to put nails, screws, or just more screwdrivers and that type of thing, accessories inside. Elasticated holder at the top for bits as well, and then you have a stainless steel clasp that you can put your tape measure on and hook it on. Now with this bag, it can go onto the belt system as well, but it can be used freestanding with the handle and move around freely if you don't want to put it onto a belt system. We then move on to the universal smartphone holder, which is here at the front. So nice and compact, slots onto your belt. At the back it has the new locking clip, so with that you can open it and lock it down. It also has a carabiner hook as well, so you can hook it onto your hooks. Zippable all the way around, so it's full protection for your phone while it's in there. And then on the side it does have elasticated holders for pens, pencils, anything like that that you wish to add. We then move on to the zip top pouch. So this is just a pouch for holding accessories, batteries, that type of thing. So if you want to put a 40 volt battery in, 18 volt battery, 12 volt battery, they can all fit in there, and then you can do it up nice and securely on the top to keep them in secure when you've got them on your belt system. Or you can just use it to put nails in and have a zip top on it so they don't fall out, and you can keep them all in there. Elasticated side and stainless steel hook on the side as well to put your tape measure, and connects to the whole belt system. We then move to just the normal fixing pouch, which is similar to the zip top bag, but just has an open carriage there with the 3D shaping as well. It keeps it nice and open, so you can fill that with screws or accessories, whichever you choose. You've got 2 holders down the side there for your screwdrivers, Stanley knives, accessories, etc. Some elastic holders at the back, and then on the side you've got a stainless steel hammer holder as well. Lastly, we then have the roofer and general purpose pouch. So in this it has 2 pockets, 3D design as well. So you've got the fixing pouch at the front, fixing pouch at the back, nice and open, anti-slip webbing around the top. To the side you've got a side gate this time for your hammer. So all you've got to do is push your hammer up against it and it will lock it in place, and then slide it out the top when you're ready. And on the side again, it has holders to put your Stanley knife in and your screwdrivers. We then move on to the double fixing pouch. 2 pockets on this pouch, screwdrivers, Stanley knife holders which are held in with the real lever round the sides so for extra strength, elasticated holes each side again, 4 pencils, pens, 2 large pockets at the front, elasticated webbing at the back as well. If you do want to put any pliers, that type of thing in, you can lock them in nice and solid there. And then at the front there you can see you've just got a carabiner hook, stainless steel as well, so for anything that you want to hook onto that pouch. So lastly, in the belts and pouches range, we have the ultimate heavyweight tool belt system. So this is a complete system that you can purchase. It all comes complete with the kit. Comes with the heavyweight belt, which is padded to give you more comfort when walking around site. Comes with the phone holder, comes with the nail and the screw holder pouch, which you can also put your screwdrivers in. You also have the hammer holder, which is stainless steel, and it is on a swing as well, so it will always stay vertical so it won't drop out of your pocket. And then we have the left and right tool holder, so for your drills, whether you're using it left or right handed, it has a fastener over the top as well to lock it into position. You also have these new belt loop system as well, so if you are attaching anything else to the belt itself, there is some nice strong loops there ready for you to use. So that was a new range of belts and pouches. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment and subscribe to the Makita UK channel.